Well, good morning, everybody. Today we're going to load a load of round bales. We did some baling yesterday, and we only baled about a half of what we have to do. We'll be baling some more tomorrow, but here this morning, while the dew is still on, I'm loading up a load of bales to take back to the farm. This is one of the properties we rent. It's about 5-6 miles from home. Beautiful view here. Here I am talking and not paying attention to what I'm doing. That one, and then we're going to put one on the spear in the back. The ones that are closest to the truck, I won't use the bale spear on the 3-point hitch because it's just kind of silly. You can load them faster just grabbing one at a time quick, but when you're further away, I like to grab two at a time. It's nice if you have a helper, but they can kind of move the truck around, drive around while you load up. Sometimes my wife does that for me, but she doesn't have time to do it this morning, so we are on our own here. Drop our bale off the 3-point. You can see we got a pile. I had a few minutes yesterday waiting to get picked up so I could get the truck and trailer because I left my equipment here, and I moved some bales yesterday while I had a few minutes, so that's why there's a pile there on the other side. I do have to say though, I've gotten used to this tractor, and it is very nice loading bales with it. It's a good size, it's maneuverable. The shuttle shifter's a real short throw, so it just makes it real easy to load bales. I'm going to run and get a few more, and then we'll video some more loading. know some people are going to ask, well, why don't you put some on the truck? And the answer to that is, I probably could. Well, I know I could. I hate when they tip like that. I am definitely not a professional round bale loader. I hate loading round bales. This field is, you know, it's a hill. I know it doesn't look like it on the camera, but the trailer's leaning downhill towards us, so that makes it a little harder to load the bales, because they're all wanting to tip down the hill towards me. But the round bales on the back of the truck are kind of a pain to strap down. These are all locked in a little bit easier. And the other thing is, I'm not sure how much these bales weigh. I know they're not a tremendous amount, but there's 22 of them on there, and the trailer weighs 6,000 pounds empty, 22 bales. So if each one, let's say, was 500 pounds, there'd be 11,000 pounds there on the trailer, plus the 6,000, so we got 17,000. I mean, there's still some room left. I think I'm registered at 31,000 combination. The truck, I think, is about 9. So we're just doing my math over here. So we're probably somewhere around the 26,000 pound mark. So there is room in the weight, in my gross combination weight rating, to put some on the truck. But again, it's just a pain, and I don't want to overload it because of the road that leads to the building where I'm going to unload these. I'll try to get you a clip of that. It's rough, so I don't want to overdo it and break something just for the sake of a couple extra bales. Now, if the field was completely done and there was only 2 or 3 bales left that didn't fit, absolutely I'd put them on there, you know. But when I'm still making a bunch of trips back and forth, I'm just not going to bother with it. It takes longer to get them strapped down. And this farm here, on my way home, I have to go through an intersection where the DOT likes to sit a lot, and I prefer to not give them any more things to have to inspect if I get stopped. So anyway, let's get these strapped down. Alright, there it is, all strapped down. We got 2 big 40 footers going all the way up and across the top. And then I just put 2 on the side here. I've been doing that when I'm a little further from home and the roads are so rough and bumpy. If I was going on a longer trip, I would put more down the side, but that's good enough. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Just a little insight into part of my day here. I got to keep moving, so we'll catch you on the next video.